What's up? What's up, guys? Welcome to another Super Imagination Twins video. Today we're going to be unboxing our Playmobil sets that Aunt and Uncle gave us.
There's 33 animals and one human, and the human is 2.5 inches and 5.25 centimeters.
Yeah.
And the first one we're unboxing is the one I unboxed before we even decided to do another video.
Yeah.
The meerkats. So let's get these parts.
After Hudson shows you that, I'm going to unbox them.
Okay.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So first you got the little hole, and then you got 4 meerkats. I'm gonna put one in the hole, one sitting up here, one sitting down there.
The one up there must be wise.
And actually I'm gonna put that guy there, and him, you go there.
That's the meerkat.
Now Liv goes.
Yep, make sure you stay on your side of the table so we all can see you.
I need to get this.
First I'm going to be opening the flamingos.
Flamingos. Put that there. Dig a tunnel, dig a tunnel, dig a tunnel, dig a tunnel. Comment down below what movie that's from. Dig a tunnel, dig a tunnel, dig a tunnel, dig a tunnel.
Okay, here they are. Now I just need to open the bag, which scissors aren't very good with.
Here, my scissors are better.
Hold on.
Okay. Oh, you got it. Oh, you got it. Let me see this box. So
How many flamingos are there?
So there's 2 white ones, 2 yellow ones, and 2 pink ones.
And I think they all
They're
have
tiny.
and they all have a stand. It looks like. If you have Lego, if you have Playmobil, comment down below what's your favorite thing of Playmobil you have.
And your favorite one that we're unboxing. Oh, the little stands. Yeah.
And comment down below which color flavor of the flamingo is your favorite.
You got yellow.
No,
You got a
here's all the different flamingos.
pink, yellow, white. This one just won't just.
There's 2
stand
of
up.
each flamingos, and they are all standing.
Yo, what's up, dude? Yo, we're flamingos.
This one is the only one that's standing differently.
Okay, now let's go for the koalas. For some reason it's 4 to 10 plus, and it's just koala
In a tree.
and a tree and a baby koala, which is adorable.
Yeah, that can ride on its mom's back.
Well, that's not a good way to use scissors, Hudson.
I know. It's how I open my applesauce at school. My spoon. Oh,
You got him out?
yes.
Now we're
Supposed
just
to
gonna
have
have to build
10
it.
pieces.
Now we just have to build it.
Spilled it, bud. I put
Just
this
gonna move
flour.
this so-
Flour go there.
I'm just gonna move this so everyone can see.
Let me see the box. Okay, so there's. I don't need the box standing up, Liv. I already saw it.
Okay, still gonna put it.
Where's the other? There.
But you can bend the flamingos.
I can't wait to open those hippos.
Okay,
So which one? Liv's gonna unbox while I figure out how to put this together.
So I just figured out that that on most of them, these handles come up, and then it's a little bit easier to open. So while I'm opening this, guess what animal is in this? Down in the comments. Koala. I got it. So here's the mom. What is it? Oh, the hippos. There's instructions or just other things we can get.
It's not instructions, it's other things.
And here's the baby, which can ride on the back. Doesn't it actually have a thing to attach, but it's just looks funny.
Yeah.
Do you have it, Hudson?
No, it's hard. You try.
Okay.
You try and put him. You know, actually, maybe I'll have to put him somewhere else. I don't.
You unbox something and I'll put the last one on. I'm gonna take away all the boxes that are empty and we have already opened. Okay. Let's go for
Let's go for the gorillas. So you try and put these koalas on.
Yeah, I have another one.
Oh, that's because we don't have this piece on. That's why I can't attach them. Here.
So this is the baby koala riding on its mom's back. And I believe this is the dad.
Yes.
They're supposed to be on the tree.
Yes. Here's the tree. It's tall. Okay, let's open these gorillas. Yeah, I'm actually gonna use my hands. There. We got the Moomy. Oh, look. You should like and subscribe to this YouTube video. Like and subscribe. I don't know why. Just really want you to like and subscribe. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Cool.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
I sort of got one on. But how do I put the other on?
Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Okay. Then we got the two little babies. These are adorable. Fuzzy little silverback.
I feel like I can do this one.
Hey, it has wheels. It has wheels, so I can roll
Comment
it.
down below if you think this little guy's cute. I'm trying to find a good spot.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Can I put? No, it's disturbing. So these two's mom is basically, let's just say, like a car because it has wheels on the bottom of the feet. And shout out to him because he's standing on his feet. So is he. Let's see.
I'm gonna open the biggest one we have.
Let's see if that one flies.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the koala fell off.
So I'm going to open these. Hudson, what's this called?
Oh, ringtail lemurs.
Why don't you guys set them up front so we can see them?
Yeah.
All your characters so far.
We're going to put all the things we need so far
Yeah,
up front.
that's close enough.
As soon as I get this koala on.
I'm gonna make one standing weirdly.
Yeah. Oh, he's going to eat his krill. That's him eating krill. Oh, the baby fell off the back. Yeah. There you go.
Okay, so Hudson finally got the koalas.
Yes, I did.
Hold on, maybe. And here's the hippos.
Then here's. Okay. Oh, that's a big hippo.
You know.
Okay, let's go for a rhino.
It's my turn, Hudson.
Wait, but. No, wait. Oh, yeah. It is your turn.
I don't need
Get
any.
them lemurs out.
I feel like I don't need scissors for this one. This one's easy.
Never mind.
I got it.
Okay. Get them lemurs. We all,
Comment down below if you like lemurs.
especially, comment down below if you've ever seen. Oh, what?
What? Okay, so there's only 2 lemurs in this. There's 2 lemurs. And I wish it came with, like, see this branch right here? I wish it came with that.
Yeah, that branch. That branch. They really need that branch.
Here they are.
Oh, that's cool.
For some reason, they have red eyes.
That's like every ring-tailed lemur in the world has red eyes. Actually, they're yellow. Okay, let's get them rhinoceros out. Rhinoceros. Oh, that's a chunky
And
boy.
will you tell them how many animals? How many rhinos there are?
There's 2 rhinos. This sucker, chunky, big chungus.
And
And
the
then-
other one is kind of stuck in here.
It's the baby. Get out, baby.
So
It's
this one's kind of just like the rhino.
the hippo.
I mean hippo.
I'm gonna put it over here.
It's kind of just like the rhino.
Okay.
I mean hippo. I keep getting mixed up. It's kind of just like the hippo because they're almost the same size, and it comes with a dad and its baby.
You get okay. So, wait, are we saving that for last?
Yes, we're saving it for last.
Okay, so we'll just open the zebra.
So now we're opening the zebra.
The zebras. There's 3 zebras: a baby, a daddy, and a mommy. Oh, that's an efficient way to open them, other than what we did previously. I just know there's flaps to open them, and then you open it up like a speech box.
I'll find the.
Oh, what?
There's no
Wow,
flaps on
like it feels so weird because the stripes are like popping out of
this. Let
them.
me feel. I want to feel. Yeah, they are pop.
So
it's not so
weird.
much for the baby. Well, yeah, they are popping out.
It's so weird. Let's put them over here. Scoochy?
This zebra's stripes aren't actually attached to its stripe that goes down.
Yeah, we
like
can't
this.
see past this point, so don't put them past there. Put them over there. Put them behind the lemurs or something. Everybody would like to see the toys that you're opening.
Okay, so the
It's amazing. Or
their stripes are like popping out.
No.
But what I think is weird is that you see this black line right here? Like it doesn't.
It's
These
mean.
stripes don't attach to it, and I thought they did.
It's mean.
Okay, so now we're gonna open the
The
grand
final.
finale.
AKA farm.
Yes, this is a tiny little farm.
This is so efficient to open it.
I found an efficient way for this one too.
Oh, that's great. So there's 1 horse, a calf, a kitten, 3 pigs, and 2 bunnies, and a human. It's the only
Comment
human.
down below
Do
if you
they
think the
mouths
horse is a
open?
baby or a
Oh,
grown up.
that's great. I'm gonna make their mouths open. What about your big, fat, chunky mouth? Oh yeah.
Comment down below if you think the horse is a grown up or a baby.
I think it might be a foal. Okay, a baby.
And if you guessed baby, you are right.
Oh, that's a oh.
I think we
We
have
have
to
to
build
build
this
it.
one.
Okay.
You can start
Maybe we
building
should
mine.
use the power of editing. Okay. You want to see the screen, don't you guys? You want to see the screen. Also,
Sunflowers.
Sunflowers. There.
You start building while I get the last thing there, which is the big boy.
Fence.
Stuff.
Where's the cat?
Oh, the rest of there's 4 bags. This may take a while.
Yes.
Well, at least there's instructions.
This will take a
Oh,
little
which
while. It's totally not going to take us.
Okay, we start with this one.
Okay.
Okay, I just need to open the last 2 bags.
No,
You can start.
where's the instructions for the sunflowers? Oh, this is just all the instructions?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Sunflowers
instructions. Okay. Okay, I see now.
Here's the fences. I'm just gonna put all the things in here.
In.
There goes the sunflower. There goes a stem of it. Hold
Yeah.
on.
I need a hammer.
I don't think I'll need a hammer for that, but now I just need to open the last bag of this. There.
This is so easy. Yeah.
And here, and I'm gonna build the food,
Now I
which
have to
there
get
is
it
a
on the stand.
beetroot, which is in the shape of a Playmobil carrot.
Is it?
And I don't know what this is.
It's not a beetroot. I think it's a radish or something like that.
I don't even know what this is called. All I know is that it's yellow with a green stem.
Yellow with a green stem. I think that's a radish.
And then there's grass.
Maybe it's a turnip.
Oh,
And here's the little boy that comes with it. This is the only human in all of these sets.
out of all 30, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bye guys, we're just,
No, there's 33.
no, I'm counting all the sets in total.
Oh.
All the animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here's the little boy
9.
carrying grass. This little boy's carrying grass.
It's actually lettuce for the horse.
I thought it was grass. Kind of looks like grass.
It does.
Okay.
Comment down below if that looks like grass. And he looks like a madman holding it. Woo! It's like the Playmobil kid that looks like me. But blonde.
And here's our cute little cat. Okay. That wants the lettuce.
But it's the horse's food. This cute adorable thing.
Some
Here's
cats
a
like
kitten.
lettuce.
Here's a little kitten.
Mm.
All these are babies except for that and that. And those.
Yeah,
two.
the bunnies are playing. I've actually never seen a Playmobil baby bunnies.
Or Playmobil baby humans. I've never seen those.
I've seen one once, but it wasn't actually. Comment down below if you've seen a
What? I think it's
if you've seen a baby Playmobil bunny. Or I don't even know if that exists, but it probably does.
But where's the piece? I'm missing a piece.
What do you mean?
I'm missing a piece for the sunflower.
Where? This is green.
It is a circle.
What do you mean?
It's green and there's a circle.
Are you sure?
It's green and it's a circle.
Perhaps it's in one of the other bags. We'll find it after we finish up.
Might be still in one of these bags.
So we'll look later. Finish up showing the people your stuff.
I'm gonna put all the animals over here. I'm gonna actually take the
Now-
grass off of this boy's hands, just in case we need them.
I'm going to build the fence.
I'm gonna put all the characters here.
Building a fence. Building a fence. Building! You know what, Dad? I feel like John Cena. Actually, no. I feel
Here's Kitty now.
like I'm only 5%. John Cena.
Okay, I think this is all the animals right here. I call brown bunnies chocolate bunnies because they look like chocolate.
I call them chocolate bunnies from Easter. 'Cause they're tasty and I always eat their badonkadonk before I even eat them. And there's actually a chocolate that once the Easter bunny gave me called a bunny bun. It's actually a chocolate.
Can I try putting on some of these?
They're real hard.
Yeah, they are.
Try this at home if you're John Cena.
Yeah, no, it's probably not. I finally got one.
We might have it.
And I think you need this.
Do you think we'll have any extra pieces?
Maybe. Go on there, buddy. Take away. I don't think I can put this on. I think it is stuck. There you go. I think these are extra.
Yes.
Like, I don't think we need them. I don't think we need them. Or if we have another fence, like, we can make it bigger. We could make it bigger.
We could, but
we
I
don't.
wouldn't.
We don't have any more fence. Okay, so this is the full set. We are missing a piece.
We hope not.
But we will find it after the video.
Yes.
So now let's see if we can set it up just like the picture. Let's see if we can set it up like the picture.
No. Bye guys. See you in the next video.
Like and subscribe for more videos.
And comment down below if you see those wheels on him. Bye.